Alright, first cast of the day. Got one. Oh, already got hit, dude. Just got a hit right there. Got him. Yeah. Woo. Already got him. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, first trout of the day. It's a nice little guy. Gotta get my hands wet. You gotta handle these guys with wet hands. You gotta toss these guys back. Can't keep these guys. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. Let's see if I can let him go real quick. Hands wet. Look at that. What a beauty. Oh, easy. Rooster tail over his mouth. Look at this guy. Don't want to ruin his coat too much. Toss him back real quick. Yeah. Uh-oh. Probably needs reviving.
That'll be good. He's got a good chance there,
There he goes. He's good. Oh, poor guy. Oh, somebody left me a beer. They hit it like right here.
Really?
Yeah. Nice.
I don't know what it is.
Trout.
Oh, there it is.
See it.
Mealworm, dude. Mealworm.
A mealworm?
He sucked it up, man. I'll go on that week. Wet my hands real quick. Come on.
Nice.
You always want to wet your hand before you handle these guys.
Oh yeah.
Super sensitive skin. Oh, dude, it was. Did you see that?
Yeah. Got him.
Nice.
Little guy again. Get my hands wet. Oh. Quick release. Got it. Oh.
Oh, dude. This is a nicer one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Nice. Here we go.
Keep getting hits right here in this area. Not two so far. Might switch to a night crawler. Tony's getting a lot of bites over there on that mealworm. He's got a fly fish now, it looks like. Oh no, he's not. Holy cow, look at that current take my thing. I'm gonna switch lures right here. Maybe something heavier. Switch up, switcheroni. Oh man, I left all my stuff back there. That would suck so bad. Let's see what we got in our box. Let's try Castmaster, eh? Let's try this one.
Right there, there'd be something.
I know. Let's find out. That's what I just put on. Oh yeah. We're gonna keep moving up trail. Find some sweet spots to hit. Oh no! Oh. Whew. No! smallie, good spinner. Oh, got it. Got it. Can't let it rust. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that looks like a nice one. Heck yeah.
Got him.
Whoa, oh, dude.
Oh, what was it?
Oh.
Was that a trout?
It looks like a trout.
Got him. I still got him? No, he came off. Oh no, I still got him. Oh. My hand wet. Get my hand wet. Still got him. Oh no! Got him. I got my hand wet. We're all good. Slippery booger.
Oh. Here, just put it back. Hurry. Get back in the water, let him have some water.
Oh, there he goes.
Maybe he's thirsty.
Well, we caught him. It counts.
Water holding for a little bit.
Standing in the water, save my spinner. Do not want to lose that. Whoa, those are slippery. Woo-wee. Water's cold. Are you kidding me? No. No, it's gone this time.
Casting away over there or what?
Yeah, I don't know how it got stuck. I wasn't getting stuck till now. God damn it, dude. It's gone. Oh, no, I got it.
You got it? Dude, start rolling in fast. Oh, heck yeah.
Sweet. This looks like a nice spot. Get some cast out here. Up by that rock over there. Ooh! Got a hit. You know, oh, I got him. Oh! Woo-wee! Yeah. Get over here. Come on, get over here, son. Come here. Oh yeah. Let's get my hands wet. Easy trouter. Easy. Look at that. Another nice little trout. Oh god, I'm gonna fall. Nice little trout on the spinner. Native to these lands. See you later, guy. I didn't even see them, dude. They blend in so well. So awesome. You're gonna catch one on that fly, bud. Got him? Damn. Got him, dude. A little guy. Oh, this one's small. This one's the smallest yet. My hand's wet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy. My hand's wet real quick. Oh man, this guy's slippery. Almost done trout. There we go. Nice little trout. Let's see if I can hold him well. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful trout. Catching all these guys on the spinner. Rooster tail. There it goes. Well, I'm gonna switch to live bait now, since Tony's catching them like crazy on the floor. Night crawler. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. Yeah. Little piece of that. Oh! 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 Come on, buddy. It's pulling drag, man. Tell you what, gotta get your hands wet, people. Don't forget, gotta toss these fish back. Oh my God, you're so slippery. Stop it, buddy. Whoa, easy, easy, easy.
Like a man.
There we go, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, 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 whoa.